Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the person's profile now. Use app or desktop. Desktop reveals hidden elements. Look directly at the bio line for a clickable website or the contact button. These are the most common link locations. Once done, scan story highlights and pinned posts because creators often stash links there. If it's your account, tap Edit Profile to see the exact URL field. That tells you where a bio link points and how to copy it cleanly for sharing. Next, inspect and extract the link. Tap or long press the visible link to copy it, or right-click on desktop and choose Copy Link Address. If nothing obvious appears, open the browser's inspector or view source to search for href attributes. This reveals hidden or JS-injected URLs. Make sure to check for UTM tags or redirect domains so you know the final destination rather than the tracking wrapper. Once you have the URL, paste it into a clean tab to confirm where it resolves and note any intermediate redirects. Finally, validate and troubleshoot. Open the copied URL in a private window to confirm the destination and eliminate logged-in redirects. If the bio link is shortened or redirects, use a URL expander or watch the browser's network tab to see each hop. This helps you avoid malicious or unexpected sites. If you can't find any link at all, check archived versions of the profile or pinned posts, and if necessary, message the account asking where they host their link in bio. Most creators will reply and clarify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.